Hey, it's Brent, and I have another killer response to a common shit test that a girl may give you. And I've heard this many times in my past. And this is where she's accusing you of having a lot of girls in your life, or being a slut, or being a player, or whatever. She's going to say something like, I'm not going to be just another one of your girls, or I'm not going to just be another one of your casual flings. Okay? Now, what you want to do, right, what you're tempted to do, is you're going to defend yourself. You want to defend yourself and say, oh, no, that's not what I meant. Okay? Wrong direction. That's how to fail the test, okay? How to pass the test is to do what I always tell you, which is to own it, to run directly into the light. If you get accused of bad behavior, you say absolutely, you agree with it, okay? So she says, I'm not going to be just another one of your flings. Goddamn right you're not going to be. Not with that attitude. Boom. Okay? Own it. She will be blown away, and you're building attraction like, yeah, you're not going to be. And listen, furthermore, like, look, I'd like to stand here and talk to you like for the next 3 hours about you trying to hook up with me and all that kind of stuff, but I've got other stuff to do, so I'm going to move on. Talk to you later. Bam. Okay? Super powerful. Okay? Remember, always own the bad behavior. They want you to be a badass. Embrace your badassery. Okay? All right, listen, try that. I hope that helps. And if you want to learn more about how to pass any shit test a woman could give you and build irresistible attraction, go to nomoreshittests.com. Talk to you later.